Hello guys, I'm back with a new interesting video today, and this time I'm taking you to the kitchen. Okay, so today we will review a stand mixer, and this is KitchenAid Pro 5 Plus stand mixer. We will look into things like features, specifications, options and accessories, dough preparations, and pros and cons for this stand mixer. We'll see what came with the box. We got a stand mixer, we got a ball, we got a spiral dough hook, we have a whip here, and we have a flat beater. In the box we have a product manual. So from feature point of view, this is an ideal machine to get most of the help you need in the kitchen. You can prepare a dough for cake, bread, cookies, chapatis, pizza. You can whip cream. You can also use it for mashing potatoes. The included accessories with this mixer are these three, and in addition there are many other tasks which this beautiful machine can actually help you in your kitchen with the help of some additional accessories, and those accessories we can actually talk about them now. So we can actually get a pasta cutter roller, we can get a shredder, you can get a grinder, ice cream maker, etc. So these accessories can be attached here in this mixer. You can actually turn the knob and insert the attachment, and then you can tighten it and it will work. So first we will show you how the motor works without any attachment. So I just want to power it on. It makes a sound, but that's not bad. Okay, let's talk about the specs. This model KV25G0XSL comes with a 525 watt motor. It comes with a ball of capacity 4.7 liter, and there are mainly two types of stand mixer which I have seen. One is the tilted head, which actually this part can be lifted upwards, and the other type, which is what we have here, is actually the ball lifted design, where the ball can be lifted, and we'll show you how. So this is the handle which can be used to lift the ball, and you can bring it down. Now in terms of this design, mostly this ball lift one is used by the professionals, or where you need large quantity of like material to be prepared, because it comes with a bigger ball and space where the bigger ball can be fit. There are 10 speed which this model has, so we can show you here. So these speeds can help you to adjust from different tasks. Like for dough you need speed number 2, and you can use speed number 4 for like mixing, beating, and you can use higher speeds for fast beating or whipping. Now we will show you how the dough can be prepared, but before that we will just start the mixer and show how it runs without anything in it. So we'll just lift the ball and we'll start the mixer, and you can see it makes a little sound. We have inserted a flathead beater, and you can just change the accessories by bringing the bowl down and attaching the other accessories to it. Let's prepare dough. I added flour in the bowl, and now I'm adding water, and let's see how it works. I'm going to set the speed to number 2 for dough, and if you find that the spiral dough hook touches the ball, you can actually adjust the clearance with a pin So here we have a screw here which you can actually use to adjust the clearance. We'll now start. It may take 3 to 5 minutes to prepare the dough based on the quantity, and you can see now it is almost there. Now dough is prepared. Let's take off the spiral dough hook. You can rotate it in one direction and take it out, and then we can take the bowl out, and you can see the dough. Let's talk about pros and cons. So good quality, trusted brand is one of the best stand mixers in the market. Big bowl, 4.7 liter bowl, and the design, the lift bowl design helps in getting things done in one go. 10 speeds which we saw here, they're actually here. So 10 speeds help you prepare different like recipes and do different tasks and purposes. And fourth is the accessories and attachments, which we can see there are many accessories or attachments you can buy which can help you do multiple tasks, and actually it makes a one in all like machine in your kitchen. 525 watt motor, which actually is great for longer duration and large quantity of dough or cream. In terms of the cons, there are not many, but what I found is the small length of cord, so they can actually look at it. If they can increase the length, it would be helpful. And second, the weight, it is heavy, but I think that is due to the motor and is it made up of metal, so I think it is required, and it has to be stable. So I think those are the two cons which I have seen. But other than that, it is a very good machine. It is beautiful and helps you in kitchen in almost all the tasks. If you like my video, please like it, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you. We'll talk to you next in my new video. Bye.